Tractor caught fire in Benton County today, causing a dry, already harvested field to burn. It burned more than 40 acres. Firefighters responded to the fire just off County Road 1100 East in Benton County, north of Otterburn. The field had already been harvested, but a farmer was mowing down remaining stalks when dry weeds got caught beneath the tractor, causing the fire to ignite. The winds quickly spread the flames and caused more than 40 acres to burn. There were no injuries and no structures were affected. Crews from Pine Village, Wabash Township, Otterburn, and Oxford all assisted.